explain yourself here. The air already knows your name. Slow down. Nothing is chasing you now. There is a light, not from above you, but around you, like memory remembering peace. You can soften your shoulders, no one is watching for mistakes. If your thoughts are loud, let them pass through like water through open hands. You are not late, you are not behind, you are arriving. This place does not ask you to perform. It only asks you to breathe in, as if the world finally trusts you. Out, as if you can trust it back. Every sound here is gentle on purpose. Even silence is not empty. It is holding you. You are allowed to be soft without becoming small. You are allowed to rest without earning it. And if you forget why you came here, that is okay. This space will remember for you. You are safe here. You are safe here. You are safe here. And nothing about you needs to change to stay. Mm.